This classic Center Hall Colonial is located in the desirable Blackstone neighborhood. The Center Hall is flanked by an elegant dining room with crown molding and a gracious living room with a fireplace. Each are superb settings for every occasion that boast panoramic bay windows. A chef's kitchen with professional-grade appliances and an extensive center island opens to the family room where you can relax with friends and family around a large fireplace. From multiple places on the first floor, you can step out to the lovely terrace and garden with mature plantings. Dine al fresco and host garden parties in this private city oasis. The second level includes 3 generous bedroom suites, including a master with a dressing room and a private bath with a glass-enclosed shower. Above the family room is a 2-room suite with a sitting room, fireplace, and a private bath. The third floor has 2 additional bedrooms that share a vintage bath. This quiet setting offers fantastic walkability as you can walk to the farmers market at Lippitt Memorial Park or the local shops of Hope Village. Nearby College Hill is home to the renowned campuses of Brown University, the Rhode Island School of Design, and multiple renowned museums. The downtown commuter rail allows for convenient travel to Boston and the rest of the Northeast Corridor. The creative capital is the hub of sensational culture with acclaimed theaters and dining options. For more information, please visit the property website or call Jim Durentis at area code 401-529-2188.